Hey, I'm Mike Berlin with Sonny's Marketing by Slam, and it's time to get your business ready for moms, dads, and grad season. This past December, we helped clients run a holiday gift card campaign, and it was a hit, with some of our clients selling 2 times the number of gift cards over last year. So we're at it again with another campaign to help you drive more revenue. This spring and summer, it's all about gift cards for moms, dads, and grads. You know, when we study the data, we see that people spend 30% more than the gift card value. Think about the last time you used a $25 gift card. Chances are you spent more than the $25. Look, driving profitability is a big part of gift card sales, but sometimes we forget the added brand loyalty and the new customers it brings. Usually the person receiving the gift card is a new customer. With this campaign, we thought about how do we incentivize gift card sales? How do we make it profitable? And how do we entice more people to buy? We created a package to help you crush it this May, June, and July with gift card sales, combining on-site signage, social media, and training to drive sales. Number 1, on social media, we create 4 different boosted posts for Facebook and Instagram, and we change out your social banner so that everywhere someone looks for you on social, they see and hear about your gift card campaign. Number 2, we load the promo to your Google My Business listing so that people searching for car wash near me can see that you're running a special on gift cards. Number 3, it's the big one, on-site signage. We're including a 4x8 foot banner, a double-sided antenna sign with the frame, 2 gate arm banners, and 2 pump topper signs to put on top of your pay stations. The idea here is when a customer hits your property, they're reminded instantly of your special promotion. On the sales side of things, to help you train and motivate your crew, we're including a sales training video on the best way to pitch and close. We'll include a script for your team to work from and a scoreboard to hang up in your break room so you can track your sales. It's a triple hit. So we're advertising online to drive awareness, we've got the signage on site, and we're firing up the crew to ask for the sale as those customers arrive. Everything you need this year to score big with gift card sales. The best part about this package is that you're going to own all the signage and materials so you can turn around and do it again next year. The deadline to sign up is March 15th, so sign up right now and let's slam your gift card sales big this year.